What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a 2007 Acura MDX. You could have any year, 2007, 8, 9, 10. If you got a wiper blade in the rear window to change, I'm going to show you guys the easy way to do it. Shouldn't be very difficult. So what we're going to do, you're going to just come close. What you want to do is, let's go a little bit back. You want to grab this and lift it up, and all you want to do is make sure you grab this. Do not let this go. You grab the wiper blade here and you just put your thumb here. All I'm doing is putting pressure with my thumb, and this wiper blade come out. It just slips into this little oval slot right here, and this is the spot here. So to put it back, I'm waiting for the customer to get me a blade, because look at this condition on this guy. But you take this wiper blade, the new one, you stick it right back to the same spot. Now what you do is you're gonna just push it back the same way, because it's gonna enter. Once it enters, it's gonna just slip right back to its spot on its own, and it shouldn't be difficult, okay? And it did give me a little difficulty, but it's rusted out. But after that, just put it down. Make sure you clean the surface and before you put the wiper, because once it catches whatever the debris is, it's just gonna scrape it all around. So clean this really well with the Windex or something, a cloth, something, making sure it's wet, nice and clean, and put this wiper down, and that's it. Some vehicle you can also remove this just by grabbing this and flipping this, and this goes right in. If you need to replace it, there's a 10mm bolt down here.